I'm Josh with Skid Pro. Here we've got our heavy duty rock bucket. Nothing real fancy here, but we have a lot of little features we think give added user benefit. We always start with the weight in the frame. This unit is built heavy. We've got the skeleton with the 3-inch square tubing top and bottom. That starts the frame. Then we run our heavy side plates. Of course, our tines, 3/8 inch, grade 50 steel. And then of course we run the flat stock up front. That ties in the front tine tips. But also you can see we have that serrated front. That helps tremendously for digging, ripping, penetration into the ground to help dig up those rocks and other debris in order to bring it back and sift it. We touched on the tines. We do run a 3/8 tine. It's got about a 3-inch spacing. So nice and close to sift out the dirt, but not too big to let other material through. One unique thing we do is every other tine is a full-length tine from front tip all the way up to the back. That just gives added strength and rigidity and just ties everything together. We also contour the back of the tine. That helps to keep the rocks and debris in towards the back. And then of course up front we have the rock dam. That also catches the rock, aids in load retention and sifting. We run a heavy duty quick attach plate that's tied into this mainframe square tubing. And we run a nice aggressive extra large safety step in the center to make exit and entry easier and safer for the operator. Another feature we have with added operator benefit is the lower back and the see-through back design. Both of those combined will allow the operator better visibility of his front cutting edge so he can operate more efficiently. In the end, we have a lot of little features that make you more effective and productive. Questions on this or any of our other attachments? Visit us online, www.skidpro.com, or call a product guru today, 877-378-4642.